hair. We're gonna see how that's gonna turn out, because I messed up my birthday hair. But that's not your business. So I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do. Hopefully it turn out cute. I'm hoping to get the little Bantu knot out look with these. And see how it goes, honey. I'm not gonna be talking throughout the video, but hope y'all like it. You guys to know that this was the hardest part, was trying to get those rollers in my hair. It just seemed like it was going to take forever. The freaking parts, that the little end pieces that latch or slide into the hole, I tell you, the little rubber band, well, the little rubber piece that's holding it together kept coming apart. So if you guys do decide that you want to get they're actually the lilac colored rods, just know, or any rods period, because they all pop off. So if you guys are getting or putting rods in, just know that it will be frustrating trying to get the piece to latch into the hole with the rubber band detaching. But other than that, you guys, you want to take it, you know, you can do small parts to big parts, just depending on the size of the size of the curls that you're looking for. Me, on the other hand, I wanted them semi-big, semi-large, because I didn't want super tight curls, and I did not put the rods all the way to the roots of my hair. I just kind of left it loose, just because I wanted to kind of give it more length to my hair with the curls, because if you guys ever had rollers or perm rods, you know it'll give you a tight curl and it'll last for a couple days. So, you know, I just wanted to give it time to drop. I know once it drops, it's going to really give me the curls that I'm looking for. So, you know, right here you guys just seeing me trying to literally latch and figure this stuff out. But it was an experience. I didn't really put too many rods in my hair. I just kind of kept it simple, and, you know, kept my parts, you know, kind of big, and I just felt like it was best for me to just, you know, not drench my hair, but, you know, just spray it enough to where it was damp, not soaking wet to where it's dripping, just damp. And I promise you guys, if you guys leave it in for at least 2 to 3 hours with it just being damp, not soaking wet, but damp, you'll still get a good, decent curl. I decided to leave mine in overnight, so my curls came out, baby, popping. Okay, if you want your curls popping, definitely do this style. It gave me the Bantu knot look I was looking for. But disclaimer, honey, these bras are the worst to sleep in, okay? I'm telling you guys, I couldn't sleep for nothing when I did decide to sleep with these rods in my hair. So if you're not like the type of person that really likes to sleep with rods in your hair, then this might not be for you. If you sleep heavy or sleep hard, this might not be for you. You know, or it could be for you, but you'd have to do it like earlier in the day and not really sleeping in them and not really have any place to go. Unfortunately, baby, it's my birthday, so I got places to go, people to see, things to do. So I had to, you know, bite the bullet and just sleep uncomfortably. But you know what? For this style, baby, it was worth it. And I'm so glad that I did do it. I'm so glad that I did try it. And honestly, you know, this style might not be for everybody, if I may say so. This style may not be for everybody, but you know, it's for me and I like it. It's my birthday hair. If you heard me in the beginning, I messed up my birthday hair. I don't know how, but well, I do know how. I put the rods in my hair, and you know how you try to boil it and stuff. I was expecting to have the curl pattern that I have at the end of this video. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. That curl pattern, I did not have that. It was more of like a wave than a curl. So obviously that wasn't what I was looking for. But you know, sometimes you mess up, you gotta roll with the punches. And I realized I had these, you know, perm rods still because I was using them for my other hair. I only use 6 for each section, even in the back. So yeah, you know, like I said, I already tried it out, so you guys see the little curls. I tried it out just to see how it was gonna look, so don't pay that no mind, baby. But anyway, moving right along. Like I said, I wasn't gonna talk to the video, but I just wanted to, you know, express that to you guys, so you're not going in here blindly thinking that, oh, you're gonna be sleeping pretty. No, you definitely gonna be sleeping pretty. You're gonna have to, because you ain't gonna be able to sleep comfortably. But anywho, I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Okay guys, here is my hair with all the rollers in it. My arms are tied. But anyway, let's see the back. Like I said, I didn't put it all the way on to the root. I did my big parts because I wanted to see just how like long and full they're gonna look. Hopefully they look good, because my arms are tied and I don't want to do it for nothing. So I'm gonna let these sit in my hair probably all night and then take them out in the morning and let you guys see what we got going on. I didn't really soak them, so if they dry before I go to bed, I'll take them out and come back on here and, you know, do a little style for you guys. But for now, I'll probably be back in the morning. Okay, so see you guys then. Bye. Okay guys, I am back
the final look. The Barbie Tings, you know, kind of digging this hot pink. So this is my birthday look. Cause it's your girl's birthday. But yeah. So here's the final look, you guys. Just got on a jean jacket, pink tops, you know, to match the makeup. Barbie Tings. This is how we doing it this year. Also, I will be starting my Lavu Cosmetics back up, relaunching that is, soon. So stay tuned for that. Also in the video, I showed you guys my herb infused hair growth oil. It's a little dirty because I done had it for a while, and but like I said, I will show you guys a picture of it in the video. And also got an ebook coming out on, you know, just how to start a business and like finding your niche and all that good stuff. So just stay tuned, and I hope you guys like this video. Go baby. This it. This might be her. This might be her. Like, you know, everybody got their signature look, so I don't know if I'm feeling this. Anyway, what y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can catch my videos whenever I upload. And yeah, it's my birthday. Anyway, also if you want to catch this makeup look, to be in another video, go to the channel and just find it. I have to upload that as well. And bye.